Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss the solution of your 9th English bi-monthly test, July 2021. First of all, we are given a passage and we have to answer the questions from it. But we'll read the questions first. First question is, behind every success there are tears, toil, failures, all of the above. Second question is, failure gives us a burning desire, a valuable experience, courage, dullness. Third question is, a sure passport to success is dash, a strong will, burning desire, both A and B, none of the above. Fourth question is, failure gives an opportunity to dash, reassess, replan, overcome mistakes, all of the above. Fifth question is, dash affects us psychologically and physically. Success, doubt, failure, achievement. Now, we'll read the passage and try to find out the answers. Success doesn't mean the absence of failure. It means winning the war, not every battle. Behind every success story, there is also a story of great failure. Unfortunately, while we are aware of the great achievements, we do not know the failure, toil, and tears that are behind each success. We should therefore take failure in our stride, for it is but another step that takes us closer to our goal. If we fail again, it means there is one more road we shouldn't take. It thus gives us valuable experience, and as we all know, experience is a great teacher. Failure makes us humble, and in our grief, we find the courage and faith to overcome the setback. It makes us more down to earth, practical, and realistic, giving us an opportunity to reassess our objective, plan, and the future course of action in the light of mistakes we have made. However, turning a stumbling block to a stepping stone requires one to overcome the fear of failure and doubt. These usually arise when we fail, affecting us psychologically and even physically. The only possible way to overcome this is to have a firm belief and conviction in our work and avoid committing the same mistake again. A strong will and burning desire to succeed is a sure passport to success. Now, we'll try to answer the questions. Behind every success, it's clearly written in the passage, toil, tears, and failure. So, the answer will be all of the above. Second question, failure gives us, it's also in the passage, it gives us valuable experience. So, the answer is a valuable experience. Third question, a sure passport to success is dash. A strong will and burning desire to succeed is a sure passport to success. So, a strong will and burning desire. Answer will be both A and B. Fourth question, failure gives us an opportunity to reassess, replan, overcome mistakes, all of the above. The answer is in the passage itself. It's all of the above. Fifth question is, dash affects us psychologically and physically. So, answer will be failure. Failure affects us psychologically and physically. Now, sixth question, what should one never sell? Options are, one should never sell one's soul, one should never sell one's spirit, one should never sell one's heart and soul, one should never sell one's heart. And the correct answer is, one should never sell one's heart and soul. Seventh question is, Bose showed that plants could dash and dash. Options are, breathe and feel, move and breathe, laugh and feel, hope and believe. And the correct answer is breathe and feel. Plants could breathe and feel. 8th question is, who did the boy go to for work? To the beggar, to the magistrate, to the hangman, to the farmer. And the right answer is to the farmer. 9th question is, the boy was always annoying the neighbors with his dash. Jokes, pranks, wishes, riddles. Answer is pranks. The boy was always annoying the neighbors with his pranks. 10th question is, we cannot reach God by telling of beads and dash. Trusting, chanting, laughing or reading. And the answer is chanting. We cannot reach God by telling of beads and chanting. The poet of the poem Open Thy Eyes and See Thy God is, options are Shakespeare, Rabindranath Tagore, James Kirkup, William Cowper. And the correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. 12th question is, what is the meaning of the word set in the given sentence? The date of the test has not been set yet. Done, arranged, fixed or started. Here set means fixed. 13th question is, the synonym of the word drag is push, pull, stretch or expand. And the correct answer is pull. 14th question is, he is dash man who stole my bicycle. Choose suitable determiner. Options are A, an, the or that. And the correct option is the. He is the man who stole my bicycle. 15th question is, he walked dash the hall. Choose the suitable preposition. Options are from, into, in or inside. And the correct answer is into. He walked into the hall. 16th question is, I hope to see you dash Monday. Choose suitable preposition. Options are on, after, before or by. And the correct answer is on. I hope to see you on Monday. We always use the preposition on with days. Choose correct Punjabi translation of the given sentence. All men are not true. ਸਾਰੇ ਆਦਮੀ ਸੱਚੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਨ. ਸਾਰੇ ਆਦਮੀ ਸੱਚੇ ਹਨ. ਸਾਰੇ ਆਦਮੀ ਚੰਗੇ ਹਨ. ਸਾਰੇ ਆਦਮੀ ਇੱਕੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਹਨ. And the correct answer is ਸਾਰੇ ਆਦਮੀ ਸੱਚੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਨ. In the end, victory was his. ਅੰਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਜਿੱਤ ਗਿਆ. ਅੰਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੱਤ ਉਸਦੀ ਸੀ. ਅੰਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਫਲਤਾ ਉਸਦੀ ਸੀ. ਅੰਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਜਿੱਤਦੇ ਰਹੇ. And the correct answer is ਅੰਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੱਤ ਉਸਦੀ ਸੀ. Choose correct English translation of the given sentences. ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਚਪਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਖੇਡਿਆ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ. And the options are, he was playing cricket. He used to play cricket in his childhood. He was a cricket player in his childhood. Or he liked to play cricket in his childhood. And the correct answer is, he used to play cricket in his childhood. 20th question is, ਅੰਜੂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੰਮ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਹੈ. And the options are, Anju has completed her work. Anju had completed her work. Anju is going to complete her work. Or Anju won't complete her work. And the correct answer is Anju has completed her work. So, I hope students, you have well understood the solution. Thank you and all the best.